In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your TradingView chart. So I'm going to show you two ways. So the first way is to go to your chart. I don't know what to name it. Mine is named unnamed. So go to this top right corner and click on this. Click on the drop down. Then toggle on this sharing. Then you can copy the link and send it to your friend or the person that you want to. Or you can simply just go to your Windows search and search for sniping tool, then click on it. After you click on it, click on this new icon. Then you can just easily take the screenshot. You take the screenshot of your chart. Then you can save it, Ctrl S, and select the part that you save it to. Then you can go to the part. If it is in pictures, then you can send the screenshot to the person that you want them to have access, and that's it. If you find it helpful, kindly like and subscribe.